dashboards that were used in the restocking areas to give those types of operators a heads up as to what material needed to be restocked, excuse me, along with a look ahead, so they could prepare their stations and be out there before it actually caused the machines to go down. And the key thing that I love about this was we use perspective. So there was no question on what devices it would be shown on. It was shown on line side monitors. They had TVs. They had one old school and on board 3-color. And some of the operators actually used the mobile devices, or it was a tablet. And it just worked for everyone in consuming the data. I know we're coming up on the last one, so I had another explanation around or demo around an MES Lite application, but I want to make sure we can share, how to get started with Ignition.
Yeah.
So it is super easy. Inductiveautomation.com. You can download the software and all the connectors, and it'll run just like it would if it was licensed for 2 hours. So you can go through and test it out, try it out. They have a Docker version, which makes development and deployment and testing super easy. So that's a usage of the software. They have an incredible online training course, Inductive Automation University. You can start right at the bottom and start moving up. They've got, if you want to, you can get certified. I don't think I made it past 30% of the core. And I started, I've been developing on it for a couple of years now, but it helps you. It's so intuitive to use. And the nice part about the Ignition community is it's very active. You can, if you have a question, it's not answered in the university, 9 times out of 10, they're answered on the Ignition forum. Very knowledgeable people. And again, the community is very forthcoming with solutions and helping out each other, because in the end, we all want to succeed, right?
Yep.
So yeah, that's my little spiel on how Ignition can be used to update your legacy system.